Hi Forex traders, welcome back. My name is Francis from Carries Trading Institute. In today's episode of the Learn FX in 30 Days series, you're going to learn about market orders and executions. If you are a new viewer on this channel, I would like you to click the subscription button. Don't forget, hit the notification bell so you stay updated every time I post a video. If you stay till the end of this video, I'm going to show you how to pick the best market order for your type of trading. If you're a day trader, swing trader, or position trader, I'm going to show you what type of order suits your trading personality. So guys, let's go to the video as I show you this thing. So guys, what is a market order? A market order is an order to buy or sell at the best available price or a future price that suits the trader. There are different forms of trading orders. The role of these orders are for execution. Okay, when you finish your analysis on a trade or on a particular currency pair, when you finish the analysis and now you want to take action, now you want to execute the trade, how you execute the trade is using one or more of these market orders, okay, or forms of market trading orders. So there are basically two types of trading orders, namely market execution or pending orders. When you go to your MetaTrader 4 platform, you are going to see where these things are actually available on the MetaTrader 4 platform, okay, either on your PC, Android, or other platforms. For trading, whatever platform you are going to use, you are either going to use a market execution, or for some platforms you will see it is called instant execution instead of market execution. Then the next is pending orders. Okay, this is totally for beginners who don't know how to go about executing trades on their phones or PC. So this is how to do that. When you've done the analysis, now you want to execute a trade, you want to execute a buy or sell, you do it using one of these methods, either market or instant execution or pending orders. And these pending orders are actually classified into two. You either have a stop entry orders or limit entry orders. It's either a stop orders or limit orders. Then these stop orders are also classified into two. It's either a buy stop or sell stop. Then the limit entry orders is either buy limit or sell limit. I will explain what these things literally mean. Okay, these stop entry orders are usually used in situations where you have analyzed a currency pair or an asset and you perceive from your analysis that the currency pair is going to continue to a particular direction. Once it reaches a specific level, it's going to continue either bullish or it's going to continue either bearish. Then I will set my orders ahead of time. It is a pending order, it's not instant. So I will place ahead of time that I would like to buy the dollar once it reaches 1.00 level, for example. Once it reaches that level, your broker will help you activate that order so that you catch up with the current market price. So once price trades into that level, it will activate your order and continue going up if you are right, but if you are wrong, it will go to the opposite direction. So on the other hand, you perceive that the dollar is going to go down, then you now place a sell stop order such that once price gets to that region, your brokers will help you activate your sell stop orders, and if you are right, the trade will go, and if you are right, the trade continues to the downside, then you will run in profit. So that's the purpose of stop entry orders. The limit entry orders are such that in situations where you perceive that you've done your analysis and you think once price reaches to this point, we are going to see a reversal to the downside, or we are going to see a retracement to the downside, then you place a sell limit order. Once price trades into that institutional reference point, it will start going down if you are right. So, but because you are probably busy and you have something you want to do, then you now place a sell limit order. Your brokers will activate that sell limit and the trade starts going down in your direction. That is called a sell limit order. Situations where you perceive that a particular currency pair is going to go up once it trades down into a specific level, then you can place a buy limit order such that once price trades into that level, and if you are right, it will start going up into your direction, but your brokers would have helped you activate your buy limit orders. I really hope this is well understood. Okay, so let me quickly just go and show you a few things. Once you go to your MetaTrader 4 platform, by now you understand how to identify the currencies on your MetaTrader 4 platform. You know how to navigate through the MetaTrader 4 platform, right? So once you go to the currency aspect of the MetaTrader 4 platform, either on your phone or PC, on your phone, just tap any of the currencies, either GBP card. Once you tap it, it's going to bring up this option, or once you tap and hold, it's going to bring up this option. This is new order, this is open chart, symbol properties, and simple view mode. Once you click new order, you are going to see the options for execution. It's going to give you this very interface where you see something like this: instant execution or market execution. When you click here, it's going to give you the other options such as the pending orders, buy limit, sell limit orders, buy stop or sell stops. Once you click here, it's going to bring all those other options, so you can see it here, right? By clicking that very icon, it gives you the other options: market execution, buy limit, sell limit, buy stop and sell. So remember, we said buy limit, sell limit, buy stop and sell stop are pending orders, not instant executions. Okay, so I've already explained what these things means, right? We said market execution is an order to buy or sell at the best available price. For example, if the buying price for Euro USD is at 1.2140, you wanted to buy Euro USD, it will be sold to you at the ask price of 1.2140. You would click buy, and your trading platform will instantly execute a buy order at that exact price. This is called market execution. Okay, but when you are using pending orders, either the stop entry orders or limit entry orders, okay, we're going to see how that takes effect. Then we said a pending order is the type of order that is not executed instantly, but later on it is executed by the broker's computer on your behalf. Whether you are there or you are not there, they are going to help you execute that order. Okay, guys, if you want to get a copy of this PDF I am using, you can sign up for my weekly newsletters on the description of this video using the link attached to this video, or join my free Telegram community and you're going to get access to this PDF at the end of this training. Okay, so let's look at a stop entry order. A stop entry order is an order where you buy above the market or sell below the market at a certain price. For example, if GBPUSD is trading at 1.5050 and is heading upward, and you believe that price will continue in this direction, if it hits 1.5060, you can set a stop entry order, which in this case is the buy stop order at 1.5060. You believe that price is going to reach 1.5060. Okay, and once price gets to 1.5060, you want the brokers to execute your buy. Then you put a buy stop, just like I explained. If you are selling, then you should put a sell stop. Buy stop is orders above market price. That is, once price gets there, it's going to go up. That's what you perceive. And then sell stop is you perceive once price gets to a particular point, it's going to continue down. So it's more like use in continuation trade. Once you perceive price is going to go in one direction. Then limit orders are usually for reversals. Once price gets to a point, it's going to reverse to a different direction. Then you place a sell limit if price is buying and you believe if it reaches, for example, a bearish order block or an institutional reference point or a resistance, price is going to start going down. Then you put a sell limit order. On the other hand, if you perceive price is going to start going up once it reaches a support or a particular level, then you can put a buy limit order. This is basically the two types of trading orders that we have, either a market execution or instant execution or pending orders. So guys, if you like this video or you find value on this video, I'd like you to click the like button, subscribe to this channel, and don't forget, share this video. And until next time, I wish you good luck, good trading.